Alright, there we go. We're recording. Tipton Manor Apartments. We're out about 55 feet on building B, unit 3-4. We're pulling back as we speak. There's a fitting tying in maybe another building. Right there.
Sort of transitions as well too, right there.
Transition there. There's some other fitting. Slow down here. That you're going to see a break on your left. There's a break right there. See that? Crack. The oval shape as it's pulling back. Terrible oval there. There's another break to the right. At about 20 feet, there's another split in the pipe. Another break at 16'4" at the top. That's the top of the pipe. Split to the right side of the pipe. Slowing down right there. You're compromised all along the bottom. And there's the root penetration right at the building. That is the transition right at the... And we're coming out. Actually going uphill at that particular point. Oof.